Yung relationship namin started naman ever since I came to San Miguel. He's been having my back. Siya yung parang big brother ko. Always rooting for me, always telling me to just be me, to be aggressive, na whatever anyone says, just be you all the time. So, kaya love ko yun si Zeros kasi yung tiwala na binibigay niya sa akin, tsaka yung confidence na binibigay niya sa akin.
Wami, champion ka nung college, medyo natagalan ngayon sa pro, pero gano'n siya ka-sweet itong first time?
Yung parating ang binubulong sa akin ni Zeros, sinasabi niya sa akin, delayed. It's delayed but not denied, and I believe in that. I believe in that quote, and tiwala lang talaga sa Diyos na anything is possible. Even though kami ni Dre actually, parati kami nasa baba, but finally nakamit namin yung first championship namin sa career namin dito sa Pilipinas.
Kami, how difficult was it nung time na, of course with all due respect to Terra Firma, kasi hindi napapanalo, how difficult was it for you na hindi ka nakakapag-chase ng championship?
Syempre very difficult. Kasi ever since naman with Terra Firma, yung loyalty ko talaga nasa kanila. Binibigay ko talaga lahat. Actually, yung goal ko nga lang nun, just to make the playoffs and yun nga na-trade, so very thankful ako sa SMB management, kina Boss Al, Boss RSA, Boss Robert sa opportunity na binigay nila sa akin.
How about yung kasi muntik nyo nang ma-upset din yung San Miguel ironically last season. Ano lang yung did you learn something from them during that time na you faced them na parang
pag winning time na talagang lumalabas yung pagka beerman nila yung pagiging San Miguel and championship experience nila nung nakalaban ko, and even here nung pinapanood ko si Zeros, Marshall, Lassiter at Jumar, yung 3 of the Death 5 na pinapanood ko, talagang madiin sila maglaro pag kailangan na manalo, and ang dami ko natututunan sa kanila watching from the bench.
Wami, syempre, All Filipino pa rin yung susunod na conference. Gano'ng kalaking bagay sa ito na, yun nga, meron ka ng championship?
Syempre, mas malaking bagay yan. Sobrang hirap pala manalo ng championship kahit medyo stuck na yung roster kasi lahat gumagaling na ngayon Ang dami rin magagaling na dumadating. And, hopefully, gusto ko rin maging greedy na manalo ulit kami, hopefully, back-to-back next conference. But, obviously, it's not going to be easy.
Thanks, Wami.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Wami.
Maraming salamat.